1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 2 equals 12. So what's going on here? Bear in mind that in Java, system.out println is just the way of displaying the value between parentheses, and in C#, I can do the same thing with console.writeLine. Both Java and C# agree that this 1 plus 2 equals 3. But this 1 plus 2 equals 12. How can that be? It all comes down to data types. I'm Hugh, and this is a lesson in my complete programming course. Every bit of information that goes into or out of your computer can be regarded as data of a particular type. 1 and 2 are whole numbers. That is, they're integers. Integers can be used in calculations. They're numbers, so you can do arithmetic with them. Whereas A and B are strings. A string is a bit of text. It's made up of one or more characters strung together. A string cannot be used in a calculation. The characters in a string could be anything. A, B, $, £, 1, 2, and so on. Even though, as here, a string might look like a number, it isn't really a number, so it can't be used in arithmetic. If I add two numbers together, I'm doing a calculation, and the result is the sum of the two numbers. 1 plus 2 equals 3. But when I add two strings together, I'm just sticking one string onto the end of another string. So if I add B to the end of A, I end up with B stuck on to the end of A. That is the string AB. In this bit of code, 1 and 2 are strings, not integers. So just as the string B was added to the string A, so the string 2 is added after the string 1. In most programming languages, strings have to be placed between quotation marks. Often, as in Java and C#, these are double quotation marks like this. Here that's A, the string A. The quotation marks are said to be the string delimiters. They mark or delimit the start and the end of the string. So while at first sight this 1 and 2 may look much the same as this 1 and 2, as far as the computer program is concerned, they are totally different, because 1 and 2 are integers, that is, actual numeric values that can be used in calculations, but 1 and 2 in double quotes are strings, that then they can be combined or strung together with other strings or characters, but strings cannot be used in calculations. You can do arithmetic with numbers, but not with strings. Now, when we do a calculation or when we create a new string, we often want to save the result so that we can use that later on in our program. And to do that, we need to assign a value to a variable. Just as in algebra, we might assign some values to variables called x, y, and so on. Well, in programming languages, we can do the same thing, but we can often declare variables with quite long names, such as my income or my friendly greeting. And then we can assign values to them like this. My income equals 1,000. My friendly greeting equals hello. Variables are essential in programming, and we look at them more closely in the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the Code with Hugh channel and click the bell to be notified whenever I upload new lessons.